Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best rolling workbenches that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Goplus Rolling Tool Cart. Goplus is a global brand that creates safe indoor and outdoor appliances. The above tool organizer has a durable construction made of quality steel with a black coating. That makes it less susceptible to rust or fading issues to give you a premium service. Equipped with 2 drawers, they allow you to store a variety of tools such as a hammer, spanner, compact drill, and much more. Plus, the sliding top increases more interior room without using too much valuable space. Use the bottom tray for keeping bigger valuables. This best folding workbench comes with flexible casters with 2 lockable ones. If you want to set your unit in a fixed position, lock it safely with the locks. Also, a portable handle improves carrying from and to different locations. You can either assemble on the right or left, depending on your most comfortable area. With an ergonomic structure, the top drawer slides in to create room for you to use the top as a work surface. Measuring 31 inches long by 15 inches wide by 34 inches high, it supports up to 350 pounds. At number 4. When 73,000 500 pound capacity 36 by 24 inch. Moving heavy load from one room to the other can take a toll if using an unstable product. If you want the best rolling workbench that eases the movement process, you have found it. When measures 36 by 24 inches and holds up to 500 pound load. That makes it among the supported rolling carts in the market. Plus, the use of quality material, including polypropylene guarantees an extended service. The material does not chip or dent like the others to maintain its original beauty. Moreover, this item distributes weight evenly, even when transporting the heaviest appliances. Cleaning this equipment takes a few minutes with normal cleanup solutions. Use water and mild detergent to wipe dust away from the worktop, legs, and even bottom. An added advantage is the casters made of abrasive resistance material. They don't mark, scuff or mar your floor surfaces, perfect for hardwood, tiles, and granite. Note that the wheels have a 5-inch thickness to add more stability while improving movement control. Furthermore, this gadget lets you push or pull effortlessly with a convenient push handle. The smaller compartments with a cup holder improve storage. At number 3. Rubbermaid Commercial Products 2-Shelf Utility Cart. Rubbermaid Service Cart is made in the USA and has an advanced construction. Featuring high-density foam, it is lightweight for easy maneuverability. Not only that, but the material does not peel, chip, rust, or dent, making it super safe. Now you can use it in your ideal location and not worrying about health problems. Another thing is the sturdy wheels that support the heaviest loads. They have enough thickness to hold the entire workbench and valuables weight. Use it to transport materials, supplies, goods, files, and other bulky valuables up to 500 pounds in any environment. Get peerless customization with the included storage compartments, notches, holsters, hooks, and customizable fittings. This mobile bench lets you push with ultimate ease, thanks to an ergonomic handle. The grip provides maximum hand placement to improve control as well as safety. Navigating in warehouses, classrooms, stockrooms, kitchens, and loading docks has never been this simple. We take note of the 5-inch wheels made of thermoplastic rubber that offers excellent shock absorption. They move swiftly and quietly without causing markings and other floor damages. That allows you to transport goods on linoleum, wood, carpet, smooth concrete, tile, terrazzo, and carpet. At number 2. Seville Classics Web 484 UltraGraphite Wood Top Workbench. Seville Classics develops quality and safe products, including this best rolling workbench. Made of a durable steel frame and a premium graphite finish, longevity is a guarantee. Push or pull it effortlessly from site to site with the sturdy wheels. They ensure movement is a breeze, especially on a smooth surface such as hardwood floor. Also, a 3-inch thickness makes them more stable than the thinner designs. With 2 locking casters, they prevent any motion for you to have a fixed operation. This utility bench has a solid wood top with polyurethane coating. The material is rust and fade proof, perfect for all conditions as it delivers long-term performance. Additionally, this rolling table steel organizer drawer allows accommodation of multiple items. At the same time, you get an organized structure and simple access to your valuables. The compartments have 2 dividers that adjust to your suitable location. Plus, the included 7 mounting points add setup flexibility for you to fit your items. Also, an anti-slip drawer liner ensures your goods are safe and secure. Moreover, this unit is versatile for use in multiple setups such as office, home, or garage. At number 1. Craftsman Toolbox Cart. Maneuver easily and quickly around your work area or shop with the Craftsman utility cart. It costs around $155 and delivers an excellent service than the other pricier brands. With a lovely black finish, it looks appealing, sleek, and also sophisticated to blend in well in most settings, whether you use it to carry or store items at home or in the office. In addition, this mobile trolley can hold up to 350 pounds. That means more load and safe storage without using additional space. It has sturdy wheels that move quickly on different surfaces to give you effortless transportation. With multiple compartments including a shelf and 2 drawers, storage is simple. Place smaller valuables inside the compact slots and large ones in the bigger opening. Another thing is the smooth and sturdy worktop. The sliding mechanism allows you to slide out or in the drawers in every access. You can use it as a work surface to complete all your projects. Also, the material does not chip, dent, or fade, making it perfect for indoors as well as outdoors. Measuring 30.75 by 14.5 by 33 inches, it takes minimal placement space, suitable for home or office. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.